Noom Premium Health App. The pros, the cons. The surprising truth about weight loss apps is that most focus only on what you eat, not why you eat. Noom Premium aims to change that by combining psychology with nutrition. But is it really worth the subscription? Let's find out. First, the pros. Noom Premium takes a unique approach to health and weight management. Instead of just counting calories, it helps you understand the behaviors behind your food choices. Through short daily lessons and quizzes, you learn how to overcome cravings, manage stress eating, and build sustainable habits. The app's color-coded food system makes healthy eating simple. Foods are categorized into green, yellow, and red zones based on calorie density, not guilt. You can still enjoy your favorite meals. It's all about balance, not restriction. Noom's tracking tools are easy to use with detailed insights into nutrition, exercise, and progress. The app also pairs you with a human coach and peer support groups to keep you accountable. That personal touch sets it apart from other health apps. Now, for the cons. Noom Premium can be pricey compared to competitors, and the coaching experience varies. Some users find it highly motivating, while others say it feels scripted. The calorie logging process can also be time-consuming for beginners. In conclusion, Noom Premium is best for people who want to understand the psychology of healthy living, not just the math of calories. If you're serious about building long-term habits that last beyond the diet phase, Noom offers a smarter, more mindful path to wellness.